Simple health tips for men. If men can adopt these tips, they will look more attractive and they will no longer be irritated to women, because a lot of women out there has complained that once they meet a guy, they would like to take a good look, scrutinize the guy to know the kind of life he is living, if he is the type that keep hygiene or not. So in today's video, I am going to teach you or teach some men how to keep hygiene and look good, or how to keep hygiene and look attractive. Once you can keep this hygiene and do as I teach you or as I taught, you will be attractive, and some ladies or some women out there will not see you or you being irritated to them. No more you as a man to be irritated to women, because there are things that some women sees in you that turns them off. So in today's video, that is what we are going to talk about. So what are the simple health tips for men? The simple health tip for men, or the simple way men can keep themselves clean to be attractive, are: as a man, you should learn to keep yourself very neat. Number one, you start from your head. Make sure that you cut your hair to the desired heights. Maybe if you are the type that like to put my style, you can do it and look smart. If you are the type that maybe you have your own particular hairstyle, you can do it as well. It is acceptable. But it is very wrong for you to have hairs on your head and also have beards. You will look so tattered and you will look irritated to some women. And some ladies out there or some women out there hate this. And this also turns women off gradually from you. So as a man, learn to cut your hair to look good and smart. Number two tip that you need to do is your teeth. Make sure that you brush your teeth to avoid plaque, all those strong particles that will remain. After eating, use toothpick and remove the remaining particles, because those remaining particles are the causes of mouth odor. After you might have finished eating, make sure that you remove those food remaining particles to stop your mouth from having odor, because once you have them or once you leave them there, they will decay and cause mouth odor. You can also clean your ears and remove dust and dirty particles in your ear to avoid being irritated. Women, look all these things that I am teaching you today. You learn to watch your clothes. Smell good. Don't stink, because stinking makes women to turn off. Stinking makes responsible people that might have liked to interact with you, but due to the level of odor that comes out from your body, can turn some people away. So as a man, learn to watch your clothes in order to smell good. Then the next thing as a man you need to do is to learn to cut your fingernail. All these things are very important. Cut your fingernail and avoid dirty particles to be inside your fingernail, because once there is dirty or a kind of date inside your fingernail, it irritates. Yes, it do irritates. I hate it, or I hate seeing men or even women with nails that have dates inside it. It irritates some people, and it can make a man to run away from a woman, or it can also make a woman to turn off from a man. So this is very important. Another health tip you as a man you need is to learn to cut your feet nail so that it will be neat. All these things that I am teaching you today are very important. They are very important because they are the things that most ladies complain about men. Most ladies out there complain that some men don't know how to keep themselves neat or clean. And all these reasons are the main reason why some ladies turn off from you or run away from you. So these health tips are very important. Adopt them and apply them in your life so that you look good and look attractive. Another thing that it is very important is to learn how to dress properly. If you are the type that like to dress corporate, put it and look good. Maybe you have your own particular attire, put it in a normal way to look good. Do you know that your dressing determines how you are being addressed? If you dress responsibly, people will admire you. If you dress tattered or you dress like a tout, people will also like to insult you because of the way you dress. So the way you dress is the way you are being addressed. Learn to adopt all these tips for you to look good and to look attractive. I hope you like this my video, and I hope you do enjoy it and you got value from this video. If you do, please make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Please put your comment in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video, let me know what you think, and like and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.